Evening guys, that allotment, not really done much recording recently. Been busy doing other stuff, not just allotment, at home, etc, etc. But we've done a little bit today. It's 17th of April, just after tea time, so 7:30 now. So I've been down about half hour, 3/4 of an hour, just chopping up the beds, the grass clippings, the one that is basically the double bed, that one over here, that we want to spin you around. So we've topped this bed up, as you can see, double bed, needs to de-weed all that down there. We topped it up, put grass clippings down, put some horse manure down, and then some rotted manure, manure compost I think it's classed. So top that bed up, let that wash in, that'll be ready for us then to start planting in. We put some chip down the middle there to try and tie this back up. These two beds here have been de-weeded, and I've had to shift this bed this way a little bit because these are actually offset. The reason why these are being levelled is I'm planning to build a brassica cage here. So also what we've been doing as well, still need to sort this thing out, but who remembers the door that was on the shed that was bowing? And this is how bad the door had been bowing. That's it. It's like a pig and hedgehog house. So now what I've done is, we've got that. It's not too bad. Didn't fully fit, so we've had to put another frame in there on that side. And a bit short on top, so I've just put a piece of decking on the top there. At the end of the day, it's only an allotment, so as long as it's secure, don't get me wrong, if people want to break in, they'll get in, you know what I mean? So our door's going to be chopped up and binned. I just heard something then, but don't know what it was. So that's going to be chopped up and binned. That's the other frame that I don't really need, but I'll probably keep that for something else. Like I say, that bed had to have been de-weeded. We need to, these two flags here, we need to take them flags out there. There's more broken glass. We need to take that plastic out of there, rip it all out, clean it all, put weed membrane down, and put flags, and then put some wood chip in the middle. I'm going to try and do something with that grape tree this year, but as you can actually see, it's starting to flower already. So I'm planning to use some of this decking, cut it in half. Oh, that's what I forgot, my tape measure. Cut it in half to use it as a framework for this. That bed's been de-weeded. This one has got stuff in it, just need to de-weed that one. We started taking everything out of this one. There's a couple of leaks left in there, and the good old weeds that always seem to come back no matter what I do with them. These things, whatever they are, I'm not too sure what they're called, to be honest, but that's the start of them, and then it gets like a grass. Got some onions in there and just a few weeds that just needs a skim. Another compost. And here, that bed over there, that's where the rhubarb was, but it's died off, so I'll have to get some more rhubarb. Actually I bought some, to be honest. As you can see, the rhubarb, oh hang on, no, it looks like a little bit of it there, now trying to get through. I wonder whether it's smothered in weeds, because you can see it's got bindweed and all sorts in there, nettles all back there. So what I'm planning to do is, this wood here, I'm going to shift it all. I'm going to trim this tree back right way down on this side, because it's just so much shadowing now, and we just need to de-weed that bed as well. And what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take this pallet collar off here. We've got some pallet collars over there, so basically what I'll do is I'll build another bed. But I was planning these beds, making them that way, but when I've measured, we can't really do that, to be honest, because I want to put another row of beds in the middle, but it means moving all the beds, so it'll be like that 1 2, so we can get 1 2 and then possibly 1 2 3, but it means moving everything around. I don't think I can do that. Is that a rat? No, no, it's not. So that's about allotment for allotment, really. Like I say, it's just surface weeds. There's nothing too bad. But bindweed, again, growing. There's a plum tree. Hopefully we get some decent plums off this year, because we actually getting a lot of flowers are still on. But if you can actually see, there's actually lots of baby plums on here now. Like here, for example. This one here. Start getting them all inside. So, and that I believe is a Marbella plum, the orange one, but I'm not too sure. And I don't know about you, but I don't fancy eating something I don't know what it is. The allotment itself is not looking too bad, considering how badly it was flooded, and we've not really been here much, I will be honest. We've been doing other stuff at home, etc. And it was disheartening when I kept on saying, "Oh, flooded, not be able to do anything." It does not stuff out here, to be honest. But everything else is starting to look okay. It's not much of a video, just a little bit of a ramble, and see what it's all about. And hopefully now, this area here where the door is, we're going to take the tarpaulin up, and I'm not too sure whether to put beds on here or make it into a area for the potato buckets, or do a polytunnel here. But I've got all this lot here. That's basically overgrown. But when you ask the council to do anything, they just pull the face and they won't do anything. But they're expecting the money quick enough. Right, short and sweet. Thanks for watching, guys and girls, and see you all again. Bye bye.